I just want to say a very big mahalo to Hyaku Senki Kai, which is the name of that elite taiko group from Pacific Buddhist Academy. That was so good, I tell you. All right, it was a premiere of American Idol Season 23 last night with returning judges Lionel Richie, Luke Bryan, and American Idol Season 4 champion Carrie Underwood. Now, in a special that aired last week, we got a chance to see a Haleiwa veteran singer do his thing. All right, his name is Thunderstorm, and
Artis.
Yes, Thunderstorm Artis.
Son of Ron Artis.
Yes, yes, and you know, if you're a fan of vocal TV competitions, let him do a little singing here. Wow. Again, if you are a fan of vocal TV competitions, you'll remember Thunderstorm Artis, who competed on The Voice some years back and finished at number 3. While he has since gone on to perform with the likes of Jack Johnson, Train, and the Zac Brown Band, he decided to try his skills on American Idol, and the judges loved him.
They did absolutely love him. But what a great representation of Hawaii. So thank you to Thunderstorm.
Yeah.
Talented family. Of course, his dad painted like all those murals in Kailua.
Yes, yes. And you know, there's a little Polynesian representation too. Ooh. Another one to look out for is Isaiah Misai Lengalu, a 17-year-old from Las Vegas with very little exposure, but being from a big Samoan family, brother has been singing all his life, silky smooth vocals, and he too got the golden ticket.
Oh, all right.
Loving it. Now, Steve Harvey has joined Scarlett Johansson in speaking out against artificial intelligence. Best known for awarding money to Family Feud contestants or dishing out advice on his radio show, last year, Harvey was among celebrities like Taylor Swift and Joe Rogan, whose voices were mimicked by AI and used to promote a scam that promised people government-provided funds. Now the comedian talk show host is speaking up again, and Congress seems to be listening. They're considering an updated version of the No Fakes Act, which aims to hold creators and platforms liable for unauthorized AI-generated images, videos, and sounds. Also jumping on that is Celine Dion. She's warning her fans to beware of fake AI-generated songs appearing online that are imitating her.
Wow. You know, I saw one of those Joe Rogan voiced commercials.
Yeah.
I mean, I thought to myself, why would he be doing a commercial like this on YouTube? This is crazy. So
yes.
The AI people they're getting better and better. Or computers are getting better and better.
But did it sound like him?
Totally sounded like him.
See, that's the spooky thing, is that, you know, while there is the freedom of speech, you do not have the freedom to use my voice to speak on your behalf, right?
Absolutely, 100%. All right, mahalo, Lina Girl, for that. All right, again, today is National Stapler Day. You got what is it? Umi'i pepa.
Umi'i pepa. Pinch that pepa.
All right, which world leader was the first to use a stapler? Was it Queen Victoria, President Thomas Jefferson, King Louis XV, or Pope Pius III? Sis, what you guess?
Let's go for Queen Victoria, because she's the only wahine up there. Okay. I gotta love on her. Okay. It's Women's History Month, right?
All right, let's see.
Come on, Queen Victoria. Pinch it, sister. Oh, man.
King Louis XV in like the 1500s. Crazy, huh?
That is nuts.
All right, if you knew the answer, you saw akamai. Now, coming up after the break, we got some shakas and shout-outs. We send aloha to our radio brother.
Yes.
Bobby Curran, brother. You will be missed, man.